In 1820, a French soldier was shockingly arrested simply for sneezing during a Napoleonic victory celebration. Imagine the tension and the strict decorum of the time, where even a bodily reflex could land you in hot water. Napoleon's reign was not just about grand battles and territorial expansion, it extended into the realm of social etiquette with an iron grip. This incident perfectly illustrates the intense control and expectation of behavior demanded by the Napoleonic regime. The celebration was meant to honor the emperor's military successes, but the soldier's sneeze was seen as a breach of respect and decorum. This wasn't just about noise, it was perceived as an affront to the solemnity of the event. In a world where every action was scrutinized, even the slightest misstep could have serious consequences, highlighting how power and protocol could reach into the most personal aspects of life.